So here we're at the special place where they serve very delicious vegan burger. And I'm here to taste it again, and I want to cook the same burger by my own. And let's see, what is it?
Папа.
Ты кушать будешь? Ням-ням? Да?
Now I'm ready to start my vegan burger with yuzu sauce, and I have the recipe here, and I will need the mandarin juice of 2 mandarins, salt, black pepper, mustard, soy sauce, and rice vinegar. Now I'm ready to blend the mandarin and extract the mandarin juice. So I forgot to tell that we need the sesame oil. So here is my dressing. This is what makes my burger very special. Back to the kitchen. I have already mashed the avocado with the lemon juice, and here I fried mushrooms with some spices. We are here, going to ride on a paraplane. It's a little bit windy, but still sunny. Ready to go.
can hear this noise, you may guess that we are at the farm again. Here are our weekends and we decided to spend it on the farm. So it will be a little update after the summer. Lucky. Hello. Be careful, my dear. Be careful. Oh. So let's go to the next cage. Let's go to the next cage. Oh, where are hands? Maybe they're inside. Yeah, probably, yeah. Let's go to see. Oh, where are turkeys? Where are turkeys? No, it's empty. Oh, yeah, geese. Aliosh, come. Oh, all of those little geese are now so big and matured. Hello, what was that? Lucky. This is a farm. So let's go to find hens. Huh? Oh, where are hens? There, that way. Go. Let's go.
Lucky.
Lucky is here too. Let's go. Show me the hens.
Oh, Mama.
Oh, there are geese there.
Mama.
Let's go to see there.
Mama.
Oh,
Mommy.
yeah, wait for mom. Okay, where are they? Let's go to see. Lucky, hi. Let's go that way. Modest lunch on the farm. Tuna, vegetable salad, bread, butter, balsamic sauce, and the buckwheat. And Archie's here too. And there are 2 little kittens, but they are hiding from these 2 boys. Kittens! Kittens!
Kitten. Mama, kitten.
Yeah, let's ask, where are they? One is here. Aliosh, look. One kitten is here. Come. Where is the other? Come. Let me say hello. No, Lucky, go. Go away. He's hiding from these 2 boys. Wait, Aliosh, stand up. Look at this little kitten. Oh, Lucky, stop it. Geese escape from the cage. Oh, ducks. They are so scared. It's a reconstruction here now, but it will be very, very nice. Another breeds of hens. Ducklings.
Doggy.
Малыши.
Bed. Doggy.
Yeah. Wait. Hello, come. Come. Come, my dears. Come. How is your day? How is your day? Oi! Hello! Hello, little. Turkeys, look, 2 geese are here. Geese. Так, let's go to find turkeys. Так. It's a new amber.
Ой, ой, turkey.
Wait, be careful. It's outside. Now stop, stop. One turkey is outside. No, we don't want to come closer. Oh, who are they? Oh, some chicks. It's not finished yet, but
Mama, turkey. Mama,
turkeys. Hello.
turkey. Hello. Hello, turkey. Hello.
Hello, turkey.
Maniki. Maniki.
No, it's not small, dear. It's like how big is he? With a very beautiful tail.
Boy, turkey.
No, one turkey is here. Turkey, are you lost? What are you doing here? Yeah? Let's go to see another things. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Очень,
Hello.
Тише, тише, Алёш.
Hello, go.
Yeah, if you want,
Oi,
come closer, yeah.
oi, go.
Mm-hmm. Don't be afraid.
Me. Me shock. Oi.
Little, 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 little ones, little ones. Hello. Yeah? And you are cute too.
Good luck.
It's adorable calves. Yeah?
There.
There are only 3 of them. Look. Ah, it's newborns. Newborns.
Mom, go.
They didn't exist yesterday. Oh, and today there are new chicks.